deposits, my gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it.
Hi YouTube, it's Jordan Victoria and I am back with another video. I am not back, but I'm back with another video. And as you can see in the title below, today would be a review off of some bundles that I got off Amazon from a vendor called Prestar. If I'm not mistaken, if I'm pronouncing that wrong, I'm sorry. But yes, today will be a review on that. And a heads up, all the stuff about this hair will be in the description below. So please, if you want to know or order this hair, please go look at that and you will get all the deets. But I was rude and I didn't say welcome everybody. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Jordan. Boomerang. But we're going to get right into this hair because I did enough talking. But please like, comment, and subscribe. And turn the bell on. So, as I can say, this is my first time ordering from this vendor and my first time ordering off Amazon. I order everything off Amazon but hair. But my friend Ashani had told me that, oh, she had hair in her head, and I asked her where she got it from, and she said Prestar off Amazon. And at first I was just like, Amazon sells hair? I did not know that because I usually order my hair off of AliExpress, which the vendors are iWish and AliGrace. But I stopped doing that. So I wanted to find something new because I wanted to discover new hair and find out new textures and all this. So I've asked and here it is. So this is the bag. It came in a box from Amazon, but I took it out. But this is the bag or the box that the hair comes in. Yes. Yes, ma'am. And this is the hair. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the hair. I have not seen this hair yet. I have not looked. I wanted my reaction to be on video. And this is going to be my most truthfulest review. I'm not going to lie, just for somebody to get clout. And I want y'all to know that everything I say now is from me and not nobody else. So when I open it, here's the hair. Set this on the floor. Okay, so we're going to start with the closure because that's what's on top. And I didn't tell you guys, this is 22, 24, 26, 3 bundles. And it is Brazilian straight with a 20-inch free part closure because I'm going to get a side and a middle part. So if you like that, then you get a free part. And the color of the hair is natural. It's not black. It's like a blackish brown. But here's the packaging for the closure. Oh my God! They gave me lashes. And they gave me a card. But here's the packaging for the hair. Yes, this is nice. I like when they have it all wrapped up cute. But they gave me lashes, dude. I don't wear lashes that are this long. These are not long, but I like thick lashes that look real because I already have long lashes, so I like them thick. And yes, I would not wear these, but thank you. Ooh, these came from China. Ching ching. But they also gave me a card. Oh, it's not. I thought it was going to be something cute. It's not. And they have their email, WhatsApp, and Skype. And that's all on this paper. Turn it sideways. You know you can't read it. Yes, that's nice. I like that. I do. The only thing I've got from people, from vendors, is like lashes, combs, brushes, and stuff like that. But never have they explained themselves. Throw that on the floor. Okay, so I'm going to start with showing you guys the closure. Closure. Period. So, oh, and I don't know if I said it, but this is straight hair. This is the closure. Ooh, this is soft. Oh, sure. Oh, sure. Oh, sure. Oh, snap. Ooh. Y'all know when y'all order hair and it smells like fish? I know I'm not the only one that be smelling fish. It smells like fish. But this does not smell like no fish. But I'm still gonna wash it. But it do not smell like no fish, boo. Yes, this smells good. It smells like they put shampoo on this, or it smells like they already washed it. This is soft, and this is nice. This is a free part, like I said. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I really like this. Yes, and it's soft. Doesn't shed at all. Nope. Yes, okay, so I'm going to go to the 22. So we got 22, 24, and 26. So the 22, snap my leg itch. I would got rubber bands on it. I was wondering why it wasn't coming out. These nails be stopping me from being great. But they ain't going nowhere, baby. Oh, yes, my nails, you guys, are dope. They are really dope. Yes, period. Andy Nails, Suffolk, Virginia. Okay, this is the 22. This is soft and it's low-key thick. It's not all that thick, but it ain't bad. It's good. I like it. It's low-key thick. And this hair is soft. As I said again, it is very soft. And 100% human, top quality human hair, period. This smells good. It smells like one of them Chinese stores, the beauty supplies. Yes, I really like this. This is nice. I really like this. My shoulder keep coming up. Fix yourself. But yes, this is nice. And this is the 22. Okay, so I'm going to go to the 24. This stuff is going to fall. Okay, the 24. Period. Not a lot of people's 24s are that long, but they're not that short. They're like usually medium. And this one, that's not true. This one isn't that short nor long. Oh snap, it's long. It's not that long, but it's longer than what I've seen. This is nice. Yes, this hair really doesn't shed. And I'm not even capping. I'm not capping. If y'all know what cap means, I ain't lying. And yes, this is nice. I like the way it moves. This body, the body is lit. I love it. Yes, dude. This is nice. Crystal hair, period. Thanks to Shani Wani. Okay, so this is the 26. Ugh. It's irritating. Stay off the shoulder. I don't want you on my shoulder, dude. No, not at all. Okay, and this is the 26. As you know that when you get longer hair, longer lengths, like 28, 30, 26, it's not going to be as thick as the shorter ones are. Everybody should know that. But this 26, baby. Damn, Rapunzel, let down your hair, girl. Oh, snap. No, but this hair is lit, ball. This is lit. It's a situation. Period. 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 It's a situation. Period. This 26 is lit. Ooh, snap. This is lit. I love it. I love it. I like it. I love it. I like it. I love it. Bro, this is... What? Cover girl face there. But yes, I really like this hair. And let's keep dropping. I really like this hair. This hair is lit. Like, it is very lit. And it's thick when you put it all together. This wig is about to be bomb. When I say bomb, I mean bomb, baby, bomb. Bomb, baby, bomb. This is lit. I like this. Look at my hang time. And I can put it in a bun. Period. I like this. And I love how this hair, it just goes so good with my skin. Period. But, yes. This hair, I really recommend. Straight hair, I only can speak for straight hair because this is the only thing that I have purchased from this vendor and off Amazon, period. But I really recommend this hair for people that like straight hair. And if you want it thicker than what it is, I feel like you should get at least another 26 to make it fuller in the back. because it's going to be full on top because of the 22 and the 24. But this is really lit. But this is all for that video. I just want to share this with you guys. And if you need hair, I will put all the stuff in the description below, so you will have that. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.